Ever wondered how to monetize your knowledge in the digital landscape effectively? In this digital age, there's a powerful synergy at play between Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP Amazon, and consultancy programs. It's a convergence that offers a unique opportunity for authors and consultants to not only share their knowledge, but to monetize it successfully. Authors and consultants, you wield a certain power. Your expertise, it's a unique selling point, a cornerstone of your personal brand. This expertise, when funneled through the medium of ebooks via KDP Amazon, can establish you as an authoritative figure in your field. You've heard the saying, knowledge is power, haven't you? Well, in the digital marketplace, knowledge is more than just power, it's a currency. But it's not enough to simply publish an ebook and wait for the magic to happen. The key here is to leverage your authority to create successful consultancy programs. You see, when people recognize you as an expert, they're more likely to seek your advice, your services. That's where consultancy programs come into play. They provide a platform for you to offer personalized guidance, solutions, and insights. So, as an author or consultant, what's in it for you? Well, the answer is simple: monetization. Yes, by combining the power of KDP, Amazon, and consultancy programs, you can transform your knowledge into a revenue stream. But more than that, you can make a meaningful impact in your field, sharing your insights and helping others. This convergence of KDP, Amazon, and consultancy programs isn't just a strategy, it's a journey. It's about carving out your niche, establishing your authority, and leveraging that authority to create successful consultancy programs. It's about capturing and holding the attention of your audience in a digital space that's often crowded and noisy. The digital landscape is vast and varied. But with KDP, Amazon, and consultancy programs, you have the tools to navigate it successfully. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Are you ready to monetize your knowledge and establish your authority? Harnessing KDP, Amazon, and consultancy programs allows you to become an authoritative figure in your field. In the crowded digital marketplace, attention is the most valuable commodity. Consider the internet as an endless ocean of content where information is as abundant as the water that fills it. Every day we are bombarded with countless articles, videos, podcasts, and ebooks, each vying for a slice of our attention. In this bustling digital bazaar, how can one stand out and grab the spotlight? Welcome to the economy of attention. The economy of attention is the notion that in our information-saturated world, attention, not information, has become the scarce resource. In this economy, those who can effectively capture and hold attention are the ones who thrive. For authors and consultants, the challenge is to navigate through this ocean of content and emerge as islands of expertise that attract attention. This is where Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, comes into play. KDP provides a platform for authors and consultants to share their expertise with the world. By publishing insightful ebooks on KDP, they can transform their knowledge into a beacon that draws attention from a global audience. Think of your ebook as a lighthouse in the digital sea. It shines a light on your expertise, guiding those in need of your knowledge towards you. But it's not enough to merely stand tall and shine. Your light must be unique, insightful, and most importantly, valuable. Your ebook should not just inform, but inspire. It should not just educate, but engage. And how do you make sure your light shines the brightest? By understanding your audience. Know what they need, what they want, and what they value. Craft your content in a way that resonates with them. Address their concerns, answer their questions, and provide solutions to their problems. Your ebook, in essence, should be a reflection of your audience's desires and needs. By leveraging the power of KDP, you can turn your expertise into a magnet for attention. You can become a beacon in the digital sea, attracting a global audience towards you. And once you've captured their attention, you can guide them further into your world of knowledge through your consultancy programs. Your ebook can be the only hook that reels in your global audience. So, make it count. The key to capturing attention? Content that resonates. Imagine your content as a beacon, sending out a signal into the vast digital landscape to bring people towards you. That signal needs to be strong, clear, and most importantly, it needs to resonate with your audience. So, how do we create content that resonates? First, we must identify high-demand topics. This is where market research becomes your best friend. Dive into the sea of data, explore trending topics, identify gaps in existing content, and understand the pressing concerns of your audience. Are they looking for insights on sustainable business practices, or are they seeking advice on personal growth? Once you've pinned down what your audience is hungry for, you're ready to serve up content that satisfies their appetite. But identifying high-demand topics is just the first half of the equation. The second half? Crafting content that provides tangible benefits and actionable advice. Remember, your audience is not just reading for leisure, they're reading to learn, to grow, to improve. They want content that they can apply in their lives or their businesses. Whether it's a step-by-step guide on launching a startup or an in-depth analysis of market trends, your content should empower your readers. Creating content that resonates is a balancing act. You're not just sharing information, you're sharing value. You're not just telling a story, you're providing a roadmap. It's about merging the what with the how. What is the topic? How can it benefit the reader? What insights can you provide? How can they be applied? Think of your content as a bridge. One end is anchored in your expertise, the other end reaches out to your audience. Your content should be a path that guides your readers, leading them from their current state towards their desired state. And at the end of that bridge, that's where your consultancy services come in, ready to provide personalized guidance and solutions. In the digital landscape, your content is your voice. It's how you communicate your expertise, share your insights, and connect with your audience. So, make sure your voice resonates, because content that resonates is content that sells. Consistency and quality, the pillars of brand building. They say that Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same goes for creating a strong, recognizable brand. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of consistency. Now, imagine being an author or consultant in the digital space. You're not just selling books or offering services, you're building a brand. And how do you do that? With a steady stream of high-quality content. Through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, you have the platform to showcase your expertise. But it's not enough to just publish an ebook and call it a day. No, you need to keep showing up, keep delivering. It's about building trust with your audience, and nothing says trustworthy like consistently good content. It's like being a reliable friend. You're there when they need you, and you never let them down. But it's not just about quantity. Remember, we're also talking about quality here. Each ebook you publish is a reflection of your brand. It's the equivalent of a storefront in the physical world. If your storefront is clean, organized, and displays high-quality products, people are more likely to walk in. The same goes for your ebooks. If they're well-written, insightful, and offer valuable information, readers are more likely to trust your brand and seek out your consultancy services. Now let's talk about alignment. Think of your ebooks as a sneak peek into your consultancy services. They should echo the same themes, the same values, the same quality. This harmony between your content and your services forms a unified brand image. It tells your audience what you see is what you get. If they like what they see in your ebooks, they'll be enticed to explore your consultancy offerings. Your brand is more than just your name. It's the promise of quality and consistency. It's the assurance that every ebook, every piece of advice, every consultation will deliver the same high standard. By building a brand through KDP and consultancy, you're not just maximizing profits, you're also creating a legacy of knowledge and trust, and that, my friends, is priceless. Visibility means viability in the digital landscape. This is a truth that authors and consultants can't afford to ignore when seeking success through Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform. You see, it's not enough to simply create and publish an ebook. You must also make sure that it's easily discoverable by your target audience. And how do you do that? Through strategic keyword optimization and category selection. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is keyword optimization? Well, it's the practice of selecting words and phrases that your target audience is likely to use when searching for content like yours. For authors and consultants, these keywords should be closely related to their area of expertise and the themes of their ebooks. By incorporating these keywords into the title, subtitle, and description of your ebook, you can significantly increase its visibility in search results. But here's the catch. Keyword optimization is an art as much as it is a science. It requires a deep understanding of your audience and their search habits. So, don't shy away from doing a bit of research. Look at what keywords successful authors in your niche are using. Use tools like Amazon's auto-suggest feature to get a sense of popular search terms. Remember, the goal is to make your ebook as discoverable as possible. Next up is category selection. On KDP, your ebook can be listed under two categories: Choosing the right ones can mean the difference between getting lost in the crowd and standing out to your target audience. Pick categories that are relevant to your content, but also consider the competition. Sometimes, less populated categories can offer greater visibility. Think of keyword optimization and category selection as your compass and map in the vast digital marketplace. They guide potential readers to your ebook, turning it from a needle in a haystack into a beacon of knowledge. And the more visible your ebook is, the more readers it attracts, and the more potential clients it brings to your consultancy program. So remember, strategic marketing can turn your ebook into a beacon in the digital marketplace. Don't just publish smartly. Are you ready to maximize your profits with KDP Amazon and consultancy programs? It's time to embark on a journey that could redefine your role as an author or consultant in the digital landscape. Harness the power of the economy of attention and convert your expertise into a lucrative venture. The integration of KDP Amazon with consultancy programs is not just a fusion of two platforms, it's a strategic alliance that can open doors to an expansive global audience, waiting to consume and appreciate your knowledge. And the first step towards this integration is understanding its potential. Imagine the possibilities. Your authoritative content, published as an ebook on KDP Amazon, reaching thousands, if not millions of readers worldwide. Your insights resonating with a diverse audience, fostering engagement and sparking interest in your consultancy services. Your brand, growing stronger with each ebook, each piece of advice, each successful consultancy session. It's not just a dream, it's an achievable reality. But the journey requires more than just a vision. It demands action. Start by identifying high-demand topics in your field. Conduct thorough market research, understand your audience's needs, and address them with your content. Make your advice actionable. Offer tangible benefits that encourage readers to seek your expertise beyond the pages of your ebook. As you continue to publish high-quality ebooks consistently, you'll start building your brand. Your readers will come to associate your name with expertise, quality, and value. And as your brand grows, so will your consultancy services. Your ebooks can serve as teasers for the broader, personalized services you offer. Don't forget to leverage marketing strategies for visibility. Optimize your keywords and categories when publishing on KDP. This will increase the likelihood of your ebooks appearing in relevant searches, bringing more attention to your work and your consultancy services. Your journey to success begins now. Transform your expertise into a profitable venture with KDP Amazon and consultancy programs. Begin your journey, take action, and watch as your expertise becomes a beacon in the economy of attention.